Welcome back to AppStudio Jumpstart video series. The topic of this video is debugging using AppStudio Player with Remote Console tool. In this video, we are going to show you how to debug your app using AppStudio Player with Remote Console tool. With the power of the JavaScript engine in AppStudio, we can write a message to the console using the console.log method. It is very useful for testing and debugging purposes. While you're developing and testing your app, you can see the console messages in Qt Creator on desktop. You might wonder, how do you see these console log messages while running an app in real device? AppStudio Player has built-in capability with the console. It allows you to capture and view console log messages while running your app on a real device. Now, we are going to show you how to set up the Remote Console tool in AppStudio Player. First, open AppStudio Desktop and click on the Console tool menu. Then, go to AppStudio Player on your device, click on the side menu, then choose Scan QR code. Make sure your desktop and device are connected on the same network. And then, using the AppStudio Player, you scan the QR code from AppStudio Desktop console. If everything is set up correctly, you would be able to see the console log messages in the AppStudio Desktop console. Very cool. You can stop the Remote Console session at any time, clear the console log messages, or save the console log messages. Thank you. I hope you find this video and this Remote Console tool useful.